Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to turn on or turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. So first we need to go to Facebook Messenger. After that, go to our conversation and here click on name of our companion. After that, we need to scroll down a little and click go to secret conversation. And here we turn on end-to-end encryption. And that's all. This is a very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.